Welcome to Easy Peasy Crypto, where crypto assets are made simple. I'm here to help you try to understand what the giant rush has been over the last couple days, with Bitcoin surging almost 20% up to over 11,000 at 11,007. And I wanted to talk about a couple things. Number one, a lot of the recent reports and what happened with the sharp decline over the last few days in the US stock market. Is there a pending trade war? Are Trump and China going to go head to head? Not looking good for stocks at the moment. And in reality, there are always cycles. We've had a boom in the stock market since 2009. It's been just climbing, and there is always a downturn. And so are we at that very moment right now? Most likely it's around the corner, no matter what happens with the trade war with China or pending possible trade war with China. We know it's not going well at the moment, and many big stock analysts are now saying, how do you hedge your bets? And they're coming up. We've got bonds, gold, and Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin as a safe haven, as an additional currency that could be an efficient currency, a more efficient currency than the US dollar? We'll see how that plays out, but those simple fears of a trade war with China has had stocks plummeting and has had Bitcoin surging. Where is it going tomorrow? Nobody knows. Is it just another bubble? Do people still want to keep talking about how this is just like the tulip example from in Holland a couple hundred years ago? Or is this an entirely new way that the internet and banking will work? Anybody's guess. I'm betting one direction. You've got to make your own choice and do your own research on what works best for you. I've got lots of ideas for you. Send me a private message if you'd like to know how to get started, because that is always the biggest issue. Once you've bought your first $50 worth of Bitcoin, everything else is easier and everything begins to make sense. So let me know what you think about bonds, gold, and Bitcoin.